Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive new videos about regression analysis and econometrics. Today our topic of discussion is to plot scatter diagram by using MATLAB. First of all, to clear the command window, write CLC enter, and if you want to clear the command history, press here and click on clear command history. Yes, you can clear command history. Next question is how to import the data. First you prepare your data in Excel file and then opening the MATLAB, click on import data button. Here go the destination where you put your data and open the data set. Click on import section button. Minimize this file. Here your data in workplace. Here is x variable, this is its minimum value. Here is y variable, this is its minimum and maximum value. If you want to look your data in command window, simply write the variable and press enter. Other variable, press enter. You look your data in command window. Now I write the code to visualize the scatter plot. Scatter parentheses shift independent variable, dependent variable, style of the point that you want to choose. This may be plus sign, steric, pentagon, or any type of other uh, style you choose. And this is the color: red, green, yellow, black, purple, any color you want to choose. I select here red. Press enter. This is the scatter plot. You can look. First point shows the value of 25 and the quantity sold is 118. Next point 30 and the quantity sold is 112, and similarly the points are decreasing, and you can see as the price increase the quantity sold decrease. At last 75 price the quantity sold is 88 here. So this show the inverse linear relationship. And the next question is how we write x label, y label. So go to the here I enlarge the size of the file to clearly visible. Go to insert button, insert x label. Here write x label is our price. Insert y label, quantity sold. Insert title. Scatter. If you want to any legend, you can give here legend if you have different model for comparison as your wish. Now if you want to change its color, font size, font style, click on this icon, plot tool. When you click on this, click on price. Here are the different styles, font size, font style according to your wish as you want to select. here is the different types of color, edge color. mm, you can choose according to your wish. Similar process you can deal with Y label for title. So according to your style wish, you can select different font size of your title. X label and Y labels are font styles, color. So next question is how to import this file to MS Word or any other file. Go to edit button, click on copy figure and paste anywhere you want. This is the procedure how to make scatter plot with the help of MATLAB. Thanks.